canoa siempre se selecciona a través de el mejor árbol. Un árbol que está bien cuidado, que está bien mantenido por la madre tierra. Tiene que servir como una herramienta, tiene que servir como algo para transportar, para llevar y unir a la gente.
Los pueblos indígenas tradicionalmente han utilizado ese medio de comunicación que nos ha ayudado y nos sigue ayudando de comunicar de pueblo en pueblo.
Long time ago, and even until now, many indigenous communities actually still using canoe for their transportations. I remember my sister and my brother, when they went to school, I was very little, they went to school with canoe. We come together here to tell the UN about our rights. We're watching them. We monitor them. We want them to know that anything that they sign today won't happen, won't succeed without involvement of indigenous peoples and recognition of indigenous peoples' rights.
De parte del gobierno le damos el mensaje de que nosotros tenemos derecho y asimismo nos tienen que consultar y el consentimiento libre, previo e informado de nuestra parte.
We want our rights to land, territory, and resources to be recognized and protected. We want free, prior, informed consent. We want all this murder, the criminalization to indigenous peoples who protect their territories to stop. The forest is the lung of the planet, the lung of the earth. But now it's struggling because many parts of forests in the world has been chopped. Our lung is broken, it's sick. It needs to be healed, and it needs people to stand together, hand in hand, to do this.
Aquí, haciendo el esfuerzo con este presente de los pueblos indígenas de Estados Unidos, tengo la esperanza que esta es la oportunidad de estar juntos para enfrentar.
Our Mother Earth is really sick. We need to stand together to heal the world.